Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you over 10 tools to create amazing YouTube videos, from researching the video ideas to the last step where you are ready to upload. I will show you my favorite one in each category and add a bonus one that you may consider as well. And since this is a beginner topic, all the tools are either completely free or have a usable free plan. Starting with the research is the YouTube autocomplete. The search bar at the top can be used to get the keywords most people are typing on YouTube. If your channel is on education, you can type how to. Then if you type a letter like W, you can see different topics here. And if you add another letter like A, you can see more like this topic, how to wake up early in the morning. Now where this will be more helpful is this. If your channel is on graphic design, for instance, you can type Photoshop and you will see different ideas. Then if you type any letter, you will see more topics, and the higher these keywords, the more volume they get. A hack you can also use is this. If you shift your cursor to the start of the keyword and add an underscore with space, you will see even more topic ideas. And you can take it a little further by typing how to at the start, or also add design to it. And you can click each result to look at the top videos. But what video should you go for if you don't want to guess? This is where the next tool comes in, and that is vidIQ. This is my favorite research and analytic tool, and I'll show you my best feature from it. You can go to the Keywords tab and search for a keyword. You can see the search volume and competition, and the higher the overall score, the better. You can also see the related keywords on the right, and at the bottom, there is a tab for trending videos on the keyword. vidIQ also has an extension, which means whenever you search for anything on YouTube, you can easily see the volume and competition level on the sidebar. If we look at this topic, for instance, you can see that there is a lot of volume, but the competition is also high. Most of the channels are also over 1 million, which will be hard for a new channel to break through. The feature I like most is the view per hour. You can easily see if a video is getting views and on average, what number of views it currently gets per hour. vidIQ has a lot of features, and I only scratched the surface of what it can do here. More on that later. Another tool that shares similar features with vidIQ is TubeBuddy. Some people prefer vidIQ, while some prefer TubeBuddy, but you can't go wrong with either of the tools. After you have a topic to make a video on, the next thing is to write the script. And it won't surprise most of you that the best tool for this is ChatGPT. You can literally ask it to write a script for your videos. And it will go ahead to write the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. And if your channel is not a faceless channel, that is, you write your script yourself, you can still ask it to write you the title, description, and even video ideas. But sometimes ChatGPT can get overloaded and refuse to respond, so you can use vidIQ for writing as well. The tool we covered in the last section can also help you to fix a title like this. It will give you better catchy headlines for your videos, and you can chat with it like ChatGPT and say, write a video script on one. And it will do just that. I've covered how to write a video script in depth in one of my videos, which I'll link to in the description below under related videos. The next section is the voiceover. There are many tools on this, but the one that I think sounds the most realistic is actually still in beta mode, and it's called 11 Labs. You can also listen to this.
Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to share with you 5 simple tips for waking up early and feeling energized. If you're someone who struggles to get out of bed in the morning, or you're always feeling groggy and tired, then this video is for you. Let's get started.
It sounds so human, and it can be used for your YouTube videos and audiobooks as well. Another one you may consider is Fliki. It also sounds human, and I've reviewed both of these tools in my previous videos, which you may watch after this. The next section is the video editing, and I'm going to split these into 3. If you create faceless type videos where you need to quickly turn your text into videos, the best tool to use is Pictory. You can simply input your script, select the template and the aspect ratio, then watch it generate clips and images for you. You can change the subtitle font size and color at the top and apply the settings to all scenes. And your script is on the left, which you can edit as you wish. To change a scene, go to the Visuals tab and search for a keyword related to the scene. Simply click on it and it will swap the clip. It also has good voiceover you can use.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
And you can apply it, then preview your video.
If you're someone who struggles to get out of bed in the morning, or you're always feeling groggy and tired, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Set a consistent sleep schedule. One of the most important things you can do to wake up early and feel energized is to set a consistent sleep schedule.
If you show your face on your channel or need to add B-rolls and make simple editing with transitions, Canva is the right tool for you. You can add your audio, find clips related to your work from its library, and add fancy text and intros.
Hey there! Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to share with you 5 simple tips for waking up early and feeling energized.
I have also created a tutorial on Canva video editing, which you can watch after this video. The last one in this category is CapCut. If you want a full-fledged video editing tool, while not being cumbersome to use like Adobe Premiere Pro, then this is the best tool to use. It is the tool I also use to edit the videos on this channel, and it is super useful to create and edit all types of videos, including entertainment, gaming, and tutorial videos. And if your video is on gaming and tutorial, you'll need to record your screen. The best tool for that is OBS Studio. It is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and it's easy to download and use. You can record any activities on your screen and also stream live to your audience. It is completely free to use with no time limit. And if you don't want to download it, you can use an online screen recorder like BeWise. I've reviewed both of these tools and how to use them in a previous video, which will also be in the description. To create your video thumbnail, logo, channel art, and so on, the best tool you should use is Canva. They have a massive library of templates, photos, graphics, and videos you can use in your work. They are always improving this tool, and the new additions and shortcuts will make your design look so appealing even if you are a beginner. I have a playlist of Canva tutorials on my channel, which you may check on the card above. If you already have a design skill, you can use popular tools like Photoshop and Affinity Designer. And for sticking with me till the end, you have a bonus tool. That is called thumbsup.tv. If you drop your thumbnail here and add your title in this text box, you can easily see how it will look on different places on YouTube, such as the home and sidebar. You will also see how it appears on mobile, as well as on TV. That's not all, you can toggle this button and see its appearance for dark mode users as well. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment below and let's have a chat. If you received any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can watch how to edit videos with Canva on this video showing on your screen now. And thank you for watching.